Hah?
Halo semua, welcome back to my channel.
Halo semua, welcome back to our channel.
It's been a while, and since the last time I was talking to you like that, face to face, camera to you, camera to face, I'm not the same anymore. And if you already seen my birthday vlog, you know why. And if you follow me also on Instagram or on TikTok, you know the big news. But he proposed finally. And I said yes. Of course, I was waiting for this for so long. Our wedding is planned for the 23rd of October, so we had 6 months to prepare all of this, and we wanted to share with you the process.
Eu não gosto de falar para a câmera.
Ana, não desista, Ana!
So guys, we have hired most of the services to professionals, of course, given the short timing we have. Nevertheless, we are people who like to get our hands dirty. We like to
do a lot of DIYs,
to get involved in what we are doing, and to have also a more personalized day. We decided to do some projects to make everything more personal to us. I guess Grace will introduce you to what's coming next. We will be, well, she will be sharing.
Ciao, Guy. He gave up. So that's why we wanted to share with you a bit what we are doing, small things that also all of you can do, and you can be inspired maybe with what we are doing. So just to put you in the context, our wedding will be rustic style, so you're gonna see that all of the DIYs we've done is in this theme. We've already prepared a lot of different things, and like I said, if you followed me on Instagram, you already seen a lot, but just to start from the beginning. So today we are going to share with you the invitation that we've made by ourselves. And it's a good way also to save money, because you know that a wedding is really expensive, and more you're gonna do stuff by yourself and more you can save also money. So with the COVID situation, we know that most of the people right now are adapting the digital version of the invitation, but we are old school, and so we decided to have a physical invitation, and we gave also to all our guests personally. I think it's really important, and
yeah, it's more personal.
And it's more personal. So, enough of speaking, let's take place to the process of our invitations. Let's go! but it's something that everybody can do. I really like the result. I wasn't expecting that it would end up so beautifully. And it was exactly as we imagined. And if you like this video, don't forget to
click and subscribe. Put the thumbs up.
Put a thumbs up. We're gonna have now, as we said, a series about wedding theme. So if you liked it, do not hesitate to put it down below in the comments. And
Subscribe.
now make this a ciao.
Oh.
And see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.